Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Roblox app thinking you're on a mobile device. Let's get started. This common glitch causes the Roblox PC app to display mobile-style controls and interfaces, making the game difficult to play properly. It usually happens due to a conflict with Windows' built-in touch and pen services or drivers, which tricks Roblox into believing it's running on a tablet or phone instead of a desktop. The fix involves disabling a specific service and a driver, followed by a clean reinstall of Roblox. First, we need to disable the problematic Windows service. Press your Windows key on your keyboard, type Services, and open the Services desktop app. You can also press Windows key plus R, type services.msc, and hit Enter. This opens a list of all background services running on your computer. In the Services window, scroll down the alphabetical list. Look for an entry named Windows Pen and Touch. When you find it, right-click on it and select Properties. A new window will open. Here, find the Startup Type drop-down menu near the middle of the window. Click on it and change it from Automatic to Disabled. Before closing, also click the Stop button underneath to immediately halt the service if it's running. Click Apply, then OK to save and exit. Next, we need to prevent your touchscreen drivers from causing the same confusion. Even if you don't have a touchscreen, this driver can be active. Press your Windows key again, type Device Manager, and open it. In the Device Manager window, look for the category called Human Interface Devices, and click the arrow to expand it. Look through the list for an entry specifically named HID-Compliant Touchscreen. If you see it, right-click on it and select Disable Device. A warning may pop up. Confirm that you want to disable it. You can re-enable it later if needed for a touchscreen. If you don't see this exact entry, that's okay. Just move to the next step. Now, we must perform a clean reinstall of Roblox to reset all its settings. Open Windows Settings by pressing Windows key plus I. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Use the search bar at the top to find Roblox. Click the three dots next to the Roblox entry and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the removal. This is a crucial step. After uninstalling, restart your computer. This ensures all temporary files and settings are cleared from memory. Once your PC boots back up, open the Microsoft Store, search for Roblox, and install it fresh. Launch the newly installed app, log in, and the issue should be resolved. Roblox will now correctly detect your system as a PC, restoring the proper keyboard and mouse interface. Staying connected for gaming is important, and so is protecting your overall online activity. For keeping your connection secure and private on any network, a reliable VPN is a great tool. For a trusted solution, check out NordVPN using the link in the description below.